It's working. It's working. It's working. I literally just installed my own smart Amazon thermostat. Oh my gosh, it's working. That shows heat. Y'all, one of the wires broke on me and I had to literally I cut the power off and I took like a sharp knife, and not recommended. I'm not an electrician. This is what works for me. This is what I had to do for my home. It is 31 degrees outside. I couldn't play. I had to figure this out. I was so intimidated, but I did it. This is the single mom versus the fixer upper. Listen, let me tell you. So let me see if I can do it. I want to see what happens. I did it, y'all. The video gonna be a little lengthy because it was my first time and I was walking y'all through me doing it myself. The heat cut on. I did it, y'all. I put my own thermostat in. Y'all, all those wires in there. And one of the wires broke on me. One of the tabs broke on me. But I did it. Your girl got heat. It's connected to my Alexa and I can work it from my phone. Y'all hear the heat? Y'all hear the heat? Ho! The single mom versus this fixer upper. I did that. I did that. Y'all had where I didn't even put the thing on. I gotta go back. This is the smart one I took off. Y'all got all my tools and everything. I did it. That's all that matters. All that matters is we got heat. And your girl did not get defeated. It was intimidating because I ain't no electrician or no HVAC guy. But since we got heat later on, I'll put this on some other time. I ain't gonna fool with it. I'm gonna leave it be. Y'all hear that heat? Oh, I did it, y'all. Lady Gators, talk to me in the comments because I talk back. I be getting stuff done. Now I gotta go in there and destroy this caulk around the tub and re-caulk the tub. Lady, y'all, I did it. I got a new thermostat. I put it in myself. They was trying to charge me an arm and a leg. I put it in myself. Lady, y'all.